mastering the pioneering pulp molding technology, aiming to promote the development of the Earth's environmental protection, striving for perfection and excellence. This is Guangzhou, NANYA, the first professional manufacturer of pulp molding equipment in China, a national high-tech enterprise, a global supplier of pulp molding production line. Since 1994, NANYA has been committed to promoting the development of pulp molding and environmental protection. Over the years, we have always focused on the R&D of pulp molding equipment, mold, and production process, fully learning and applying advanced technologies all over the world. And now, we are a strong equipment development, production, and service-oriented enterprise. Now, we have Guangzhou NANYA Pulp Molding Equipment Company, Foshan NANYA Environmental Machinery Company, covering about 40,000 square meters, near 400 employees, and a large number of them are professional and technical personnel who have long been engaged in paper making, machinery, pneumatics, thermal energy, environmental protection, mold design and manufacturing, etc. NANYA has been the Vice President of National Packaging Technology Association Pulp Molding Branch, the Executive Director of Guangdong Packaging Technology Association, and has been awarded as the National Pulp Molding Industry Science and Technology Innovation Enterprise for many times. We also have in-depth cooperation with many institutions and departments in the fields of scientific research, technology, and operation, and have been the training base of Guangzhou Special Equipment Supervision and Inspection and the internship base of Guangdong University of Technology Automation College for postgraduates. NANYA has more than 100 types of machine and complete product lines and is the only company in China with full coverage of pulp molding machine types. Now, our main product lines are tableware production line, egg tray, fruit tray, cup tray production line, fine industrial packaging production line, and general industrial packaging production line. In addition, we are also involved in disposable medical trays, handicraft, logistics trays, and special pulp molding applications. In the past 30 years, we have always kept the original intention and forged ahead. Thousands of sets of NANYA brand pulp molding lines have been put into the world market, with customers in more than 80 countries and regions around the world. We can provide customers with a complete production line and also provide one-stop service from marketing planning, drawing design to equipment installation, worker training, and even parts replacement with our professional advice and technical support. Excellent service and strict quality inspection system have won us the recognition and praise of many cooperative customers. To be a benchmark in the pulp molding industry and a strong international brand is the goal that NANYA has been striving for. NANYA, a trustworthy brand.